I would order coaching over and over again. I would never show up to the appointments.
You bought your last scammy digital product. I told you to stop buying courses. I want a divorce.
I would buy up to 4 Warrior Plus products a day. It took over my life.
I keep watching this training and I'm not getting anywhere.
Of course you have to lift a finger.
Please, man, I got these cheeseburgers. Let me come on your webinar.
Man, I just ate.
Honey, I promise I won't go on another webinar.
How am I supposed to pay my rent with this? Unfortunately, I have been scammed out of tens of thousands of dollars, but I will continue to be scammed because I love being scammed.
Tired of being broke? Sign up to my scammy program and I'll upsell you to death.
I saw a login from Pakistan. Am I being scammed?
After years of you working for minimum wage as a slave to big industry and addicted to buying courses from fake gurus.
At Newbie Hospital, we treat more than just your common ailments. We treat your shiny object syndrome.
I'm Jennifer. I'm a nurse here at Newbie Hospital, and I help our patients make the transition to badass.
In a world where the thrill of the game consumes all, a new kind of ailment requires a new kind of hospital.
Hi, I'm one of the sexy Asian nurses here at Newbie Hospital. I want to buy more shiny objects.
We want you to finally make money, not spend it.
Hi, I'm the Life Doctor, and I work at the Newbie Hospital. Before you are discharged and enter badass class.
Stop the madness of dopamine highs, chasing new ways to make money.
In order for you to leave the consumer mindset behind, you need to embrace the idea of becoming a certified boss.
We're pulling shiny objects out of your ass today.
The right business model for you is one that you will love doing. One that doesn't cost you money, does not waste your time, and gets your wife off your back after all your shiny object purchases.
Are you ready to make millions?
Oh, you know it, baby!
I'm rich, bitch!
This is Sarah with Big Balls News. I'm reporting on how gambling addicts are becoming millionaire marketers with badass class.
Sucker!
After you are discharged from Newbie Hospital, you are enrolled in badass class. This is where the millions are made. I just made $1 million with Jamie Lewis. Let me back in, I'll give you some good loving. I just bought myself Gucci underwear and a golden toilet.
I used to buy marketing products like I was addicted to crack, but now I just sold a domain name for big bucks thanks to badass class.
Rich, bitch!
Hands up, scammer! Give me the money! I started at Newbie Hospital, graduated badass class, and now I'm one rich fat bastard.
Oh, hell no, you ain't moving your gambling butt back in here.
Babe, I'm doing good now. I went to Newbie Hospital.
Starting an agency, flipping domains, publishing ebooks, TikTok shop, YouTube launch jacking, evergreen digital products.